Are you looking for a natural way to get rid of pests? Baking soda might be the answer. This video will show you how to use baking soda to eliminate rats, bedbugs, ants, spiders, and other unwelcome guests. Watch now for the best ways to eliminate pests using baking soda. 1. Cockroaches. These pests are not considered that dangerous, but they can be a nuisance when they invade your kitchen and mess around the place. They hide in dark corners and eat food and filth to survive. You can use various cockroach sprays to get rid of them, but baking soda also works well for getting rid of these pests. You can sprinkle it on all surfaces where cockroaches are present, and leave it in place for 24 hours. Another way is to convince the cockroaches to ingest the baking soda by mixing it with sugar. Put the mixture in a bowl and place it near the areas where cockroaches are present. The cockroaches will then eat it, leading to their death. Baking soda is a highly alkaline substance that can dehydrate cockroaches after they have ingested it. Moreover, the chemical reaction of baking soda and sugar will create carbon dioxide gas, which can kill the cockroaches. 2. Ants. If you have ants in your house, you need to use baking soda to eliminate them because it's very effective. It dehydrates the ants and eventually kills them. Mix half a cup of baking soda with 2 cups of warm water. You can spray this mixture near where ants frequent to get rid of them. Or you can also sprinkle baking soda powder in places where there are ants and leave it for a day or 2. Over time, this will eliminate them. 3. Bed bugs. Baking soda is also effective in getting rid of bed bugs. When you mix baking soda with water, it will release a gas which will kill the bed bugs. It's also helpful against nymph or small baby bed bugs. To get rid of bed bugs, mix 1 cup of baking soda with 1 quart or liter of water, and use it to spray all around your bed. Spray the mixture on the mattresses, box springs, and even the mattress covers, and let it dry before you vacuum up everything. You should vacuum the mattress and the box springs as well. 4. Fleas. Another general insect that you can use baking soda on is fleas. Although it's best not to use it on your pets, it's great for getting rid of fleas in your home and carpets. However, baking soda can't do it alone, you're going to need table salt as well. Salt acts as an abrasive and damages and penetrates through the flea's exoskeleton. It also has moisture-absorbing qualities, helping to dehydrate the pests. For this method, you'll need to stock up. It needs large amounts of each to cover multiple areas of your home. Make an equal mixture of salt and baking soda, and sprinkle liberally on your carpet or affected area. Leave it overnight to dehydrate the larvae and eggs. Vacuum the carpet thoroughly and then clean your canister or bag carefully so you don't accidentally let the fleas out again. Repeat the process again in a few days, which is when any leftover eggs would hatch and cause additional problems. 5. Moths. If you see moths or other bugs flying around your house, then the best way to get rid of them is to spray some baking soda in areas where they are present. This way, you will eventually eliminate them. Baking soda is sharp enough to cut into an insect's body and cause it enough injury that it dies. In fact, it was used as a substitute for mothballs in the old days to repel moths from homes. They use baking soda as a base ingredient in many household cleaners, so you can use it in the kitchen too. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of water. Spray the solution on your moth-infested furniture or area, and let it sit for at least 3 hours before you vacuum up all of them. 6. Mice and rats. These pests love to chew on knickknacks, foodstuffs, garments, and other items. They can be a pain when they gnaw on wood and cause a lot of damage to your home. You can use various traps to catch them. However, baking soda will kill rats and mice if they ingest it. This is because, when the baking soda hits their stomachs, it begins to produce large quantities of gas. As mice can't pass wind, they have no way to release the gas and the internal pressure can eventually kill them. Combine 1 cup of flour with 1 cup of sugar and mix well. The sugar will attract mice and tempt them into eating the bait. Next, add a cup of baking soda and combine thoroughly. Finally, sprinkle this powder in areas with signs of mouse activity. 7. Spiders. A spider's natural habitat is in wood and other structures. However, if you see a spider in your home, it is likely that it's just wandering around looking for food or mates. Baking soda is one of the best ways to eliminate pests from your home, and it's an effective insecticide that can kill spiders. It will kill spiders instantly because it can dehydrate them and remove their skins. To use baking soda in your home, mix it with water to make a paste. Then, place the paste around the spider's web and leave it overnight to dry out. It will kill the spiders before the morning. 8. Centipedes. The centipedes are known for their venomous bite and are usually found in dark, damp places such as closets, crawl spaces, and under building foundations. They are generally not a problem because they only bite if provoked. You can get rid of these animals with the aid of baking soda. It is a safe and non-toxic remedy for centipedes. You need to use a small amount of baking soda and mix it with water in the ratio of 1 teaspoon of baking soda to 1 cup of water. You can spray the solution daily to keep these pests away. 9. Crickets. You can hear the cricket chirp at night, and they come out in large numbers. They can be found in moist areas such as under the stove, sink, or carpets. One of the best ways to eliminate these pests is by applying baking soda to the places where they are found. You can either sprinkle the baking soda powder into the areas where the crickets are present or use an aerosol sprayer. Mix 1 cup of baking soda with 3 cups of water. You can add a few drops of dishwashing liquid, detergent, to the mixture to make it foamy and more effective. Then, spray the mixture onto the area from which you want to eliminate the crickets. Spray it under the cabinets, the kitchen sink, and other moist areas where crickets may be hiding. 10. Snails and slugs. Snails and slugs may be a common problem in your home and can live in the garden, on the sides of buildings, or under other materials. They usually live in moist areas, such as around water sources, and under objects that hold water. You can eliminate them with a solution of baking soda, water, and some dishwashing liquid. Mix 1 cup of baking soda with 2 cups of water, and add a few drops of dishwashing liquid to it. You should apply this solution to the soil where they are found. Baking soda works by fusing with the snail and slug's mucus, and dehydrating it by forcing water to move out of the snail's body. As you can see, baking soda is a great way to get rid of pests. It is environmentally friendly, safe for pets and people, and inexpensive. This soda can get rid of pests indoors and outdoors. It is an excellent solution for getting rid of ants, spiders, cockroaches, and other pests. Keep your home or office free from unwanted critters today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of household pests with apple cider vinegar. Thanks for watching and bye for now.